Hi, we are here at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College at Coimbatore. We are very privileged to provide the motor test facility that would be very useful in creating the practical learning opportunity for the students to understand the realistic characterization of a motor. To have the setup here, we have several number of components, which is on this side, which becomes a complete hardware infrastructure for the motor testing, and this side we have the complete data acquisition system and also the data analysis suite. That means you can conduct multiple experiments and collect data, also compare the results in place. In this way, the students can get a practical correlation of the subjects that are taught in the academics. We are amazed to see the lab facility that is already available at the college. The college comes up with several number of other experiments and equipments where on the battery analysis, the battery management system algorithms, also on the VCU and the vehicle. With all of these components, adding a motor test bench facility would now greatly benefit the students to conduct and learn how to characterize motors in a practical way. With the lab setup that we have provided, we also have developed a very comprehensive experimental manual. So where we are about 5 experiments which are aligned to learn how to characterize the motor step by step. Several number of experiments includes such as understanding the base speed of the motor, understanding the field weakening region, understanding the stall torque characteristics of the test or a motor, understanding the speed torque characteristics of the motor, also understanding the efficiency of the motor and a controller together. With these number of experiments and also the instruction manual, the faculty will be able to engage from the day one on delivering these syllabuses to the students with this design of experiments. And apart from this, we've also created a comprehensive 2-day training program for the faculties at the college so that the faculty can practice in our presence and also interact with us in any of the queries so that the lab setup is not idle, so it is very effective to utilize from the day one. With this kind of facilities, we are amazed to see that college is able to provide the students with the skill sets that are needed for the industry. So in this way, once the students learn these skill sets, they can go out and easily get job opportunities. And we're very thankful for the department and also the management in providing us an opportunity in setting up the lab here at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College in Coimbatore.